So in this short video, I will share you how to like schedule a campaign properly in Klaviyo and also like how to A/B test the time delay. So yeah, let's go. So inside Klaviyo, you have to go to this campaign section where you can see all the campaigns that you have. Select the campaign that you want to send, or select the segments that you would like to send this campaign. For me, example, I want to send this email to like my engaged audience, and I want to exclude all the buyers. So that's what I've been selecting and deselecting. Click on next. Just check the subject lines and preview text and etc etc. Then click next, and yeah, schedule the campaign. Uh, Select the date, select the time. For me personally, I select time which is like random. For example, 10:15, 10:45, or you can also like select here like 10:10 or 10:05, cause a random time is best. You will see a slightly increase in like open rate, and select your time zone here. For me, I will use European time zone, and this particular option is I will explain you. So what it does is, let's say if you are scheduling this campaign uh, 10 days, like let's say if this campaign is going after like 10 days and you are scheduling it now the segments that you selected in these 10 days, there will be some people who will be added in this segment. So if you don't click this if you don't tick mark on this option, the person who will join in the next 10 days will not receive this email. But if you select if you select this option, the person who will be join this particular segment in the next 10 days will also receive your will also receive this email. So like make sure to check mark this option. Now if you want to like A/B test the time, you can do in two ways. One is via this, just create an A/B test here. uh, okay, yeah, and click on this test send time, and you can basically, this is only for like two variation. You can select the time delay for variation 1 and time for variation 2, and you can just basically compare it. And I mean this A/B test is only for like A/B testing two particular time delay. And if you want to like go further, let me show you how you can do that. Okay, click on next, send schedule, and in here in the type option, select the gradual send over several hours, and you basically select the time, let's say 9:45 a.m., and you select the percentage per hour ratio. For example, let's say if I select 25, so the first 25% will receive this email at 9:45 a.m. The another 25% will receive this email 1 hour after, and another 25 after 1 hour. So basically, you can just see like which hour people are opening our email the most, and based on the data, you can use this data into your future campaigns. So yeah, I think that's the video. And by the way, like if you need any help with your emails, if you are a brand and if you don't have like any email systems, just book a call below. You will see my calendar link and book a call. We will give you like free audit and also like two free email designs that you can send and test it out by yourself and see the results. And then if you like our work, we can partner up together and work a long way. So yeah, I think that's the video, and yeah, peace.